It's like a round table conference here. Rectangle table conference here. This is the box that I got from Royal Enfield. Naturally, it's a coupon. So I'm sitting backside front on my friend's Domino because this box is too huge. I was gonna take it in a rickshaw, but then I'm like, let's do something slowly. Yeah?
Go slow, go.
Yeah, I'm going to do unboxing with this, but it's okay as long as it does the job. It's like I'm cutting a birthday cake over.
Just don't damage the product.
So I got some corporate voucher. I got a call from some Royal Enfield zonal manager. He's like send over your documents and you'll get some 11,200 discount for the official Royal Enfield store.
I haven't thought it was a scam.
Yeah, first I thought it was a scam, then I'm like, no, can I trust this guy?
Yo, next time if you get any message that you won thousands of dollars, it might not be a scam.
So this is the jacket I got. Windfarer.
This is Jennifer's jacket.
This is my jacket.
तुझे अक्कल है? तू क्या बोल रही है?
So you would they give a 5 years warranty? Okay, this for the.
Yo, look at this jacket, man. Crazy.
I think so. Let's open it up.
Amazing, and all of this is sponsored by Royal Enfield. Is that recording?
Okay, so here this is the.
Now, review the jacket.
This should be the thermal liner. Yes, this is the thermal liner. Okay, so this is like a full sleeve thermal liner. Still the end here. You have these clips. You can detach it and get this liner out. You shouldn't be wearing this right now. This is the inside part. You don't get a padding here. This is a dummy one. You can put one yourself. So I have another jacket, so I'll get the padding from that. And there's one pad over here. And then there's one here. And this is that. There was a black color jacket too, but then I was like, let's go for olive green. Looks good in the sun. Yeah, let's keep this aside now. No, this is a women's t-shirt. It's medium size.
So that's tiny as hell.
This is a women's t-shirt. I said na medium size women's t-shirt. Yeah, this is a trippy Himalayan. Yeah.
Show one more. This is damn thick, dude.
It has the liner inside, and this mug, but yeah.
Dude, this is much better than the other riding jacket. Sick quality, bro. Oh, it's a nice size.
So this is a gimbal. I'll give you a review of the gimbal soon. The only thing is that I don't know how to use it yet, so I'm still figuring it out.
It's fit you, man. It's fitting me.
It'll fit me. It's 2XL.
What a nice size. My size is this one here.
So that's with the mug. Just put it back.
It's fitting it proper over here. Yeah. Then this is your size though for the jacket. A normal clothes size different, jacket also different.
Oh, this is a reflective. Oh, okay, this is a slightly reflective print. Have to be careful while washing it.
No, I want to see you wear the suit.
Yeah, I'll wear it now.
Might be tight for you. You should wear it now. Try it right now.
See, even if I try it, I have to live with it only because I tried this in a store.
We are the same size, or?
Maybe.
So we'll have some kind of sale or something.
Dude, I got all of this for 414 rupees.
I know. It's a very good deal.
So why not? I feel like macho man.
How's the fit?
Fit is damn good. There's one pocket here, there's one pocket here, there's one pocket here. Are there any pockets inside? Oh, there's a pocket here. Oh, there's a pocket here. Okay, this pocket is inside the
Rain liner?
winter liner, yeah.
Yo, the only problem is I can't go for this because it's Royal Enfield and I have a TVS bike. I should wait for the TVS to come out and
So the rail line also has a zip. I just got to exercise. I have to put this zip first for maximum protection from the cold. Crying about the cold. Yeah, so there's another zip inside and then comes this zip. Okay, now I'm feeling too hot, I'm removing it. And now for the big reveal. I got large. There was XL also, but I was like, I'll take large because my previous helmet was also large only. And I got a helmet. No. Ignore.
that's foam. Oh shit. Oh yes, dude.
Okay, in the picture it is looking light now, but I like this color. It's like dark.
Yeah, it's going properly with your bike.
And as a reflector also. This is in the night. Now it's kind of pointless, you won't understand. I don't like the D ring, I like this simple clip one. Thank God it's this one.
Yo, put your head in it.
Yeah, with the cameras on top.
Just keep it down, man.
Wait, I want to see how to. It has a double visor also. I want to see how to use it.
Let me try it out.
No, you try. It's large. It should fit you. Head left, right. Do left, right movement. No, do like this. Then you'll come to know if it's tight or loose.
It's very loose.
Nah, it's loose, no? Because it's a large. So then it should fit.
If I wear this helmet and I crash, now my neck is breaking. Use the dual visor.
I don't think so. There's a this thing button
Auto,
on the
no?
side for it.
Ah, this is fine. This manual is much better always. Put the visor.
So these are the two. This is the helmet. I'm wearing this helmet and this jacket. I'm not the winter liner, and it's very free. It's very nice. Like the ventilation is too good. Currently, I wasn't satisfied with the footage on the GoPro. It was good, but it didn't feel that great. I tried recording 5K and 4K. Submitting the GoPro back, but it's good. But I just want to try my DJI too. Himalayan like it echoes in that comfort. It sounds good. Doesn't sound too loud. Like it sounds damn bassy. Ventilation of the jacket is too good. Like when you remove the liner butt of this, if you put the liner you won't feel the wind because the thermal liner is like it's meant to block all the wind whatsoever that comes at you. Too good design. Though the gloves are mine. I didn't get this in Royal Enfield. So this helmet, the jacket and the women's t-shirt and one Himalayan mug I got from the store. Zigzag road, there's always some car in front of me. I have to change my direction like 3-4 times.